I'm finna do something stupid. Oh, hello there. Things are getting a little hot up in here. I'm gonna be making some spicy hot chocolate. That's sure to be muy caliente. Hey, today I'm gonna be making a spicy hot chocolate. You may have seen out there that there are spiced hot chocolates, when you just add a little something on top, but no. You know me. I'm gonna do something bigger and better. I'm gonna make this super spicy. Why? I have no God-given idea. I'm gonna make this super spicy and super sweet, and we're gonna see if we can do the ratatouille to get them to like contrast or whatever. This should be good. Probably not good actually. It should be bad. Fair warning. So to make the spicy hot chocolate, I'm gonna need this, this.
What are you doing?
This, and this. This too. Alright, so right now I've got just a very small amount of water boiling in this. So I'm gonna go ahead and add, I'm gonna say about 4 cups of milk. On second thought, we're lowering that because I don't think my pot can handle 4 cups. No, it'll be fine. We'll do 3 cups. With this heavy whipping cream, I have about maybe half of it in here. I'm gonna go ahead and shake it so that way it becomes, well, full whipping cream. Alright, now that the milk's, well, hot, I guess, I'm gonna go ahead and add probably a cup of cocoa. This is probably too much. It's probably a lot of cocoa. Alright, and because I'm a special child, I'm gonna go ahead and add a whole bar of Hershey's. I'm gonna go ahead and break it up. I'm just gonna toss it in there. It's on a very low temperature, so this should melt pretty evenly. I'm gonna consistently stir it though while I'm adding the other ingredients. So now that the chocolate is dissolved, mainly, I might have used a little too much cocoa, but whatever. I'm going to go ahead and add some sugar. I do not know how much I'm going to add because I cook like a 10-year-old. Pour, stir, and gradually add if I need. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick taste. Oh, that's actually really good. Jeez, it tastes like a pure chocolate cake or something. So now that I have it sweet enough, I'm gonna go ahead and make it spicy. I don't know how to use this chili. I've never used a chili in my life, but I'm hoping it just adds more spice. Oh, these are oh, this is gonna be spicy as hell. I don't know how hot these are, so I'm not gonna add too many. That's probably fine. All right, I'm gonna add some cinnamon. Well, this is cinnamon sugar. This should give it even just a little more sweetness, but still have just a tiny bit of the spice of the cinnamon. So we're gonna add some chili powder, and we're gonna add some cayenne pepper. I can smell it from here. Alright, so I think I've added enough spice to it. I'm not gonna taste it because I'm gonna taste it at the end of the video, but it's probably spicy, or good enough. Alright, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and make the whipped cream. So now that our hot chocolate's done, I'm gonna go ahead and, I've been whipping this for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this out. Oh, that might be a bit too whipped. Uh-oh. Just like the hot cocoa, I'm gonna go ahead and add the spice. So chili powder, cayenne pepper, cinnamon sugar. I'm gonna add cinnamon sugar only instead of regular sugar because I want, again, this has a lot of the cinnamon in it, so it'll be half sugar, half cinnamon, and sugar's already gonna give us enough sweetness before the spice. So I'm hoping that once I mix this up, it's still gonna be pretty sweet but pretty spicy. Just gonna fold it multiple times. I'll give this a quick taste. Just a bit more sugar. Now it needs a bit more spice. Again, I have no idea what type of chili this is. This could be super ultra spicy or it could be super mild. But we're gonna find out. Alright? Woo! Okay, that has a bit of kick. Oh god. Alright, now that the spicy hot chocolate's made with the spicy whipped cream, I'm gonna go ahead and you know how I do. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it or cup it, and we're gonna see how this tastes together. Oh, okay, so yeah, there we have it. Our spicy hot chocolate. Not spiced, spicy. This is probably gonna burn my mouth, but I'm gonna go ahead and see. Looks good, don't it? Looks something like you get out of a cafe. But definitely not gonna taste like it. So. Oh, that's spicy. Oh, that's spicy. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Why I think the seeds were a good idea? Oh, God. Oh, that's hot. It's not bad, though. Again, you taste the sweet and spice. The seeds were a mistake. Aside from the seeds, though, ooh, mmm, mmm. Oh, 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 that's so spicy. Oh, that's so spicy. Oh, 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 that's spicy as hell. That didn't work out. That didn't work out. That's, oh, that tastes bad. Oh, that tastes bad. I think it's the whipped cream. I know I added way too much spice to the whipped cream. Hold on. So, I added a bunch of spice to the whipped cream, but I still have a bit of the actual cocoa itself. So, let me see how this tastes. Just by itself. Ooh, that's much better. Oh, the cocoa. Oh, the actual hot chocolate itself. Oh, that's. Wow, that's very good. Okay, okay, yeah. Oh, that's you get okay. So you get the chocolate and you get the spice. Ooh, yeah, you get the chocolate, you get the spice, the hint of spice. Not even hint. You get a big kick of spice with it, but way less than that. That's a monstrosity. You don't want that. You don't want that. Don't do what I did. Screw it. Don't do what I did. But this. Yeah, again, that's pretty good. Even with the pepper flakes, that's pretty good. Oh, God. Don't do this, do this. Repeat. Don't do this, do this. What did I say? I'm assuming you're repeating what I said. Anyway, that's going to go ahead and be the end of this video. I don't like this. I don't like this. If you're going to do anything, again, do this, what I did here. This ain't a how-to tutorial. This is just me screwing up and experimenting. But yeah, this came out pretty good. The whipped cream did not, even though it looks pretty cool though, the little effect, but no. Again, that's going to be the end of this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe because I want to do more stuff like this. Despite that awful taste, I want to do more stuff like this. And with that said, I'll see y'all later.